Hello, my name is Rocco Beatrice. I'm the Managing Director for Estate Street Partners and Living Wills. What in the world is a living will? Even I get confused. But it's very simple. It's a power of attorney over your medical care. When you go to a hospital, they want to know, especially if you're going to go for surgery, they want to know if you have a living will or a power of attorney. It basically states, do not resuscitate, or under what conditions they're going to be able to pull the plug. Whatever you sign that the hospital gives you is in their favor. They don't want to be sued. Is there a better way to have a living will, a power of attorney of your medical care? Yes, there is. I don't think this type of a will is necessarily anything that is useful. It can be challenged. What you need is a medical directive, a whole series of what-if scenarios. What are the conditions under which the person that you give the power to is able to conduct independently what you need for your medical care? A medical directive is significantly better than a living will simply because you give them the specifics. If, for example, you no longer are able to feed yourself and they have to feed you through a tube, or if they have to take you out of that hospital to another hospital, to be able to learn from the doctor the specifics and the extent of which your care is being given. Under the new HEPA laws, your doctor is hand-tied. He can't really discuss your case with anyone else without your permission. And even when he has permission, he's extremely careful. Why? Because he's going to be sued. Insurance companies can learn everything there is to know about your medical condition, but your husband, your daughter, your sons, they can't find out from the doctor. I have this personal problem myself. My mom went into the hospital. I had a hard time getting the doctor to talk to me about what was her medical condition. I couldn't help her make any decisions. And the fact was that she was disoriented. Now, lucky for me, I had a medical directive. I handed it to the doctor, and the doctor had to discuss the medical condition of my mother. Without it, he can't really talk, and you can't force him to talk to you. He'd be breaching his fiduciary duty to my mother, believe it or not, who's disoriented, doesn't know which end is up. With a living will, I couldn't get that done. With a power of attorney, a simple power of attorney, I couldn't get that done. The only thing that does that is a medical directive. To learn more about living wills, financial directives, medical directives, please visit our website, ultratrust.com.